Imagine starting every month with an extra $1,000 in your bank account. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're going on a journey where I'll show you how to turn that dream into reality. From renting out a spare room to becoming a top-rated tutor, these tried-and-true methods can help you earn that extra cash. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into these exciting ways to boost your income. Number 1 on the list: rent out your spare room. You don't need significant capital to start renting out property. If you have an extra room in your home or plan to be away for a few weeks, consider listing your space on Airbnb. This platform connects homeowners with travelers seeking affordable and convenient accommodations, which means there's a high demand for your space. While renting out a single room can generate a good passive income, expanding to multiple properties can significantly increase your earnings, provided local laws permit it. Keep in mind that you may need to furnish or renovate your space before listing it. To maximize your reach, advertise your room on various rental listing sites, social media, and community boards. Listing during peak rental seasons like summer or major local events can also help. With 1 to 2 rooms occupied, earning $1,000 each per month, reaching your $1,000 goal is achievable. To start, research similar short-term rental listings in your area to determine competitive nightly rates. 2. Food delivery. Food delivery services are plentiful, and if you have a car, bike, or scooter, you can quickly start earning. Popular platforms like Uber Eats and DoorDash are especially lucrative in larger cities during peak meal times. Delivering groceries through services like Instacart or Shipt is another option, though you'll need a car for these gigs. These roles can pay $15 to $25 per hour, and with tips, you could reach $1,000 a month by working around 40 hours. 3. Rent out your car. If you have an extra vehicle or don't use yours often, consider renting it out on Turo. This platform matches car owners with renters, and you can set your own rates and rental terms. Turo provides substantial liability insurance and handles all the paperwork, making it a hassle-free option. The more frequently you rent out your car, the more you can earn. The average Turo host makes over $10,000 annually with a single car. If you use your car to work for ride-sharing companies like Uber, you can also sign up with platforms like Carvertise or Rapify to earn extra income by selling advertising space on your vehicle. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals. By funding personal loans, you can earn interest, which typically ranges from 5 to 35%. Investing $10,000 across multiple loans can yield annual returns of 5 to 10%. With monthly interest payments, reaching $1,000 in the first month is possible. This method not only helps you grow your wealth, but also aids borrowers in need. To start, sign up with a peer-to-peer lending site and start lending to diversify your portfolio. 5. Sell stock photos online. If you have a knack for photography, selling your digital photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock can be very profitable. You only need to upload high-quality images of various subjects, such as landscapes, patterns, structures, objects, and people. Then tag them with relevant keywords to attract buyers. A portfolio of over 100 photos, each earning $0.25 to $2 per download, can generate significant passive income, making $1,000 per month attainable. 6. Proofreading. Proofreading is in high demand with the increase in online content. You can make over $40,000 a year as a proofreader. This is an excellent opportunity for those who enjoy the flexibility of working from home and want to earn extra money on their own schedule. And if you are just getting started and have zero experience, courses like Proofread Anywhere will get you through the process. 7. Sell designs online. Design marketplaces like 99 Designs, ThemeForest, and Creative Market are ideal for selling digital designs. Whether you create website themes, logos, or templates, these platforms provide a ready market for your products. If you're new to design, try using an intuitive tool like Canva to create your first pieces. 8. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward it to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This business model has low startup costs and minimal risk. You can use platforms like Shopify to set up your store, then use apps like DSers to help you find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. 9. Become an online tutor. Online tutoring is a lucrative side hustle, especially if you excel in a particular subject. Depending on your expertise and experience, you can charge anywhere between $30 and $60 per hour. Teaching English online is also a popular option, with platforms like VipeKid and Kids offering opportunities. VipeKid will even plan lessons for you, saving you time. The more expertise you have in a subject, and the better you communicate with your students, the higher you can set your rates. 10. Buy and sell websites. Buying existing websites can be a profitable venture. Many sites generate income through ads, affiliate links, or memberships. By purchasing a site with existing traffic and revenue, you can start earning immediately. To get started, browse marketplaces like BizBuySell and Flippa to find websites for sale. 11. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help individuals and small businesses with tasks like data entry, social media management, and customer support. This role can be performed remotely, making it a flexible job. To get started, you can look for entry-level positions on online job boards like FlexJobs. 12. Run an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales made through your referral links. It's a scalable, low-risk way to generate passive income once you've built an audience. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and rewarding way to create an additional revenue stream. All it requires is your time. After investing the initial hours, you can enjoy ongoing rewards. 13. Become a social media influencer. If you have a passion for a specific topic and can build a following on social media, becoming an influencer can be very profitable. You can earn through partnering with brands to promote products or selling your own merchandise. A good place to start is through the use of Shopify collabs to help you find brands that fit your niche, then start building affiliate relationships. 14. Sell digital products. Digital products are assets, tools, and pieces of media that consumers can't physically touch. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, and printables can be highly profitable. These products have high profit margins and can be sold repeatedly without additional costs. 15. Babysitting. Babysitting is a traditional but reliable way to earn extra money. Even if you're not in school, babysitting during your free nights or weekends can be a lucrative and rewarding side hustle. Depending on the number of children and their ages, you can make $12 to $20 per hour, which can quickly add up. 16. Earn while shopping online. Cashback reward sites like Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Rakuten allow you to earn money while shopping online. Simply sign up and start earning points with your purchases, which can be converted to cash or gift cards. A word of caution: stick to your monthly budget and avoid overspending in pursuit of rewards. By leveraging these methods, you can efficiently reach your goal of making an extra $1,000 a month. Choose the options that best fit your skills and lifestyle and start boosting your income today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and side hustles.